Hey, I'm back after a good long weekend, a bunch of rest and more projects created than I would have needed. There's a water line break down the end of my road here, so you're probably gonna hear some jackhammers and tools, but I don't have time to wait on them. Anyway, this little guy right here is an absolute pain in the butt if you know what this is. This is the belt keeper for your hydro drive. You see I've got the new belt installed here already? Nice. That little guide, it goes way back here. The only way to get it out is to come in from here and you just wrench it out. Hard to get to. Best tool I could get on there was a 15 millimeter. I tried to get it from the top through the cup holder. Yeah, you can kind of see it. It's right there. But that's how you get to it. So here we are. Change that belt. You got to pull the steering nut and get the deck out of the way with all these stupid clips. And there's your nut that goes on your steering shaft. Steering column is loosey-goosey because you have to move it just to get the belt through. Here's the drive belt. Yeah, I didn't do that. That's just age, man. Stretch, and finally got it stretched where I think it was rubbing on some places it should have been rubbing, so it needed to be replaced. This is brought in for a deck belt. Deck belt got thrown off. We're gonna get this put back on here and let it sit for a little while and recheck all the fluids and make sure everything's where it's supposed to be, nothing where it ain't, and get this deck put back on here. Yeah, we'll get her going. That pin I showed you is right down here. So here it is installed. See her down here? You may think when you start getting it in there that you can adjust it up or down. You just keep tightening and it actually will come to a nice firm stop. It's not like it's going deeper into the housing. It does bottom out and stop. And you can see what its job is right there. It's supposed to keep that belt from flopping off that pulley. And that's it. And that's all there is to it. Be done with her.